Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new collection from WhatsApp Nails. These are 6 cream stamping polishes. I'll be also comparing this to other pastel shades that I have on my own collection. I'm also going to try to find their most saturated version in the stamping polishes that I own. And I found this as a great idea to do monochromatic manicures like this one. So I'm just going to test these polishes as a base and also as stamping polishes on top of the other color. You can find this collection on the WhatsApp Beauty website for $48.33 USD. First, I'm gonna do swatches of all these shades on my thumb. This one is Egg Crusher. This is a pale yellow cream. This is kind of the typical yellow that you can expect for Easter or Easter time. So it's one coater, very opaque if you apply it on your nails. And for stamping, it's also very pretty. Doing this comparison between white and black background is not very noticeable on the white background, of course, because it's too pale, but it stamped well on black. Next we have this pink. This is called Cherish Blossoms. I wouldn't say this is pastel pink. I'm gonna do comparisons after so you can see, but it's a little bit darker and it stamps super well over white. Over black is okay as well. It's not as opaque. And then we have this Apricot Horizon. This is a peach color. This is more pastel-like and it's very pretty. Also a one coater. They dry up glossy so you could see that they look super good even if you don't use top coat. And here's the stamping test over white and black. Next we have this green. This is called Pot Partners. This is also not a pastel shade. When I think about a green pastel, it's more like a mint color. These are more spring colors. They didn't say that these were pastels, but sometimes in some pictures they look a little bit more pastel-y. But here's the stamping test over white and black background. Next we have this other shade that is a little bit more pastel-y, Commitment Problems. This is more like a turquoise color, very pastel. I think it looks more saturated on camera. I couldn't catch the real color. It's a little bit more subtle than it looks like. And last we have Sky Glider. This is like an intense baby blue. It also got very saturated on my camera. It's a little less saturated, but it stamps super well, and here you can see the difference between those two, even if they look a little bit similar maybe on the bottle. So here are the 6 shades on the swatches. Now we're gonna move on to the pastel comparisons. First, we're gonna do the comparison with this Mooncat Eternal Sunshine. This is the first one on the swatch stick. The middle one is the one from WhatsApp Nails that we're reviewing, and the third one is the Sally Hansen Fantastic. You can see the difference is very similar to the Mooncat one. The only difference is that the WhatsApp Nails polish is one coater, it's a little bit more intense. Then we have the pink comparison. This is Euphoric by Mooncat. Then we have Orly Kaleidoscope Eyes. These are very different though. I couldn't find like more similar shades. And this is the last one from WhatsApp Nails. You could see that the pastel shades that are in the beginning of the swatch are not similar to this one. Then for the next comparison, we have Sally Hansen Romantic Peach. This is like the more pastel color that I have on this tone. Then we have Lucid Dream from Mooncat. And last one, we have the WhatsApp Nails that we're reviewing in this video. They both are very similar, honestly. The only thing that is I see is the WhatsApp Nails is one coater and it's a little bit more intense. Then for the green comparison, we have Mooncat Neverland. This is like more the typical Easter green. Then we have Express to Impress. This is more like a mint color, but it's a little bit cooler. And the WhatsApp Nails is just a completely different green, more like a grass green, very pretty for spring. So you can see here the difference. Next we have Paradise Found from Mooncat. This is more like a vibrant turquoise. And the Commitment Problems is a little bit lighter, also one coater, so I think that's the best thing about these polishes. Next we have Sinking Feeling compared to the WhatsApp Nails Sky Glider. This one is a little bit like a more baby blue, and the first one is more like a pool water color kind of thing. This is mainly to give you an idea on how these colors look like if you own any of the other ones that I show you. Next, we're gonna do stamping comparison. So we're gonna compare Egg Crusher to Fab Cap, which is like a more vibrant and powerful yellow. And here I did a comparison stamping one on top of the other, and they look absolutely gorgeous. This is like a great idea for a monochromatic manicure. Next, for the pink comparison, this one looks a little bit more pastel-y if you compare it with the other one that is a very kind of like a fuchsia color, and it's super pretty. So here we have it on the stamping test. This is a little bit hard to see because I think the color are a bit more similar. Next, for the orange comparison, put in this pastel with clear yellow stamper number 147, and I really like this combination. I think it looks absolutely pretty. So remember that the options are not always white and black as background. For the green, we have Pot Partners, and I had my other favorite green, which is the other side. I've been using this for a long time, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And here we have it. I think this is a great combination for the spring. Next, for this color, it was a little bit hard to find a similar color, like a more saturated version. I ended up finding this clear yellow stamper 187, and I think it complements the other one pretty well, so it will be a great idea for any monochromatic manicure. And last, we have this baby blue kind of thing with this clear yellow stamper 146, and here's the stamping test. I think this will look absolutely beautiful for like sky and clouds, maybe something related to that. It's very pretty. And I did add like an extra option for this one is J for a Day from WhatsApp Nails. And here are all the shades that I show you and the stamping test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!